Driving school on Glenwood Road, New York City, New York, right? If you're living on Glenwood, we cover those areas as well. This Ben here with Pierre Paul Driving School. Okay, gonna move over here. All right, folks. Yes. All right. What I'm saying here is a few traffic here, double park on my right side. What am I gonna do? Pay attention to those and drive respectively. Where am I supposed to be? On my right side. I'm gonna signal to my right, mirror right, shoulder right, come to my right side, because that's where I'm supposed to be as a student. All right. So this Ben with Pierre Paul Driving School. Anything you want me to do in particular, put in the comment below. If not, we're gonna continue to go here. All right. So traffic is starting up ahead. What are we gonna do here? Cover on the brake, roll up, and pay good attention here. All right. So okay, paying attention to my surrounding. Any question, put in the comment below, folks. Any question, put in the comment below. Anything you want me to cover in particular. All right. So yep, basically seeing traffic is moving up. So this guy's cutting off. We're not gonna do that. Keeping within your lane, nice and smooth. This Ben with Pierre Paul Driving School. This is a driving lesson here in Brooklyn. Okay, I'm paying attention to my left side here. Driving school in Brooklyn. Pierre Paul Driving School will definitely help you here get your license with flying colors. I'm confusing with this guy in front of me. What is he doing? Paying good attention here, folks. If you live in the Brooklyn area, New York area, we can definitely help you to get your license with no issue. Okay. Okay, this guy double park, double signaling, mirror left, shoulder left, going thing. All right, driving school here in Brooklyn, New York. Driving school in Brooklyn, New York. Pierre Paul Driving School definitely can help you get back to my right lane. Mirror right, shoulder right. Come over here. Good, good, good. This is at the level they want you to deliver. Okay. We're making a right turn at this traffic light coming up here. Okay, we're gonna tighten up to the right side. Okay. Yeah. Driving school in Brooklyn, New York. If you need any help in the Brooklyn, New York area, Pierre Paul Driving School will definitely can help you. Check our website, pierrepauldriving.com, and any families and friends that can benefit. Mirror right, shoulder right, make my turn. Okay. And I'm gonna fall where? Right in the middle of my street. Here's a one-lane street. Okay, folks. See how we're delivering here? Good. We're making a left turn here at the corner, which you have no other choice but to make a left turn because you come to a dead end. All right. Driving school in Brooklyn, New York. Coming up here through a full stop completely. Okay. Good. We're here first. All right. Good, good, good. Mirror left, shoulder left, and fall to your closest left lane. All right. Keeping it going here. Always covering your brake whenever you're uncertain of what the next move can be. All right. So here, paying attention here. All right. Anything you want me to cover in particular, put in the comment below. We'll be more than happy to do so. Okay. If you've done your road test already in Brooklyn, New York, let us know where did you do it. And if anything, if you have not yet done your road test, if you do have one coming up, when is that road test coming up? Okay. And where would it be? All right. This is Benny with Pierre Paul Driving School. I want you guys to be ready when you take your road test. This is how we take our pride. Ready when you take your road test, and you can pass your road test with flying color. Okay. So coming up to always stop sign here, completely stop. Who's here first? We are. Nobody's here. You see how much I'm verifying? Okay. I've seen students be saying that when they get to a road test, to a stop sign, they just count 1, 2, 3, go. No, it doesn't go that way. 1, 2, 3, go is not cutting it. You need to verify, make sure that, okay, this guy doing him, signaling to my left, your left, shoulder left, going around him. Then when I'm coming back, I'm going to signal to my right, your right, shoulder right, coming back. You guys notice that? Whatever I'm doing contrary, I'm signaling all of my attention. I'm coming up to the stop sign here. Some student, what they do, they come to the stop sign. What I have seen, they just come here, they said, 1, 2, 3, go. That's wrong. Okay? You cannot do 1, 2, 3, go. That's wrong because you have to make sure that you verify there is nobody that there to know which one goes first. 1, 2, 3, go doesn't give you the right of way if there were cars out there and you are not paying attention. You have to make sure that you look to see who's there first before you go on your turn. We're making a left turn here. We signal here on the left side, coming to a full stop, okay? We're gonna make all of our stops here. Here's your first stop for humans, okay? I'm looking left and forth, no humans. Keeping it here. Coming up here to our all-way stop sign. Gonna creeping up here till I come to a completely stop. Nice and smooth. Who's here first? I'm here first. Keeping it going. All right, see it, folks? There's no 1, 2, 3, go. All right, we're making the left turn here. Signal to my left. Yeah, gonna come here. Make sure that I'm pulling in for the cross traffic to clear. That's the left on the island. Making sure that the cross traffic is clear. Okay, going more. Looking here. Traffic is clear. Nobody over my shoulder. Keeping it straight from here. I see this trouble here. Okay, continue to go. All right, folks. Like, share, and subscribe. This has been with Pierre Paul Driving School. Until then, keep practicing here. This is Driving School in Brooklyn, New York. We are more than happy to help you with all your driving help. Check pierrepaul.driving.com. Question of the day: have you done your road test before already? If you have, where did you do it? If you have not yet done your road test, you have one coming up. Where would it's gonna be? Where will it be? Where will it be? Until then, folks, keep practicing. This Ben here with Pierre Paul Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye.